Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today, we are going to create a partition on Windows 10 on your hard drive, so let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type File Explorer. You will see the File Explorer option, so click on it. On the left-hand side, look for This PC. Here, I can see only the C drive. It shows around 116 gigabytes free, and there is no other partition available, so we are going to create a new partition from this drive. For that, press the Windows key and R key together on your keyboard, or you can right-click on the Start icon and then click on Run. Now, here you need to type diskmgmt.msc. Once you type this, click on OK. After that, a new window will open, which is called Disk Management. Here you can see the System Reserved partition, the C drive, and the Healthy Recovery partition. These partitions must already be there on your computer as well. We need to leave the System Reserved and the Healthy Recovery partition as they are. Now, look for the bigger drive, which is the C drive. You can see the same information here for the C disk and System Reserved. Just right-click on the C drive and click on Shrink Volume. As soon as you click on Shrink Volume, it will start calculating the shrink space. This process can take some time, maybe 2 to 3 minutes, so please don't think that it is stuck. Once you see the options, you will notice the size of your hard drive. For example, if you want to create a 5 gigabyte partition, you need to enter the size in megabytes. Remember, 1024 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. So if you want to create a 5 gigabyte partition, just type 5000 and then click on Shrink. After you do this, it will again take some time. This depends on your hard drive speed. Since this is an SSD, it takes very little time. Now you can see unallocated space. Earlier, we had only 3 options, and now we have a 4th option, which we just created. At the moment, it is showing as unallocated. Now we need to format this drive to create the partition. Right-click on the unallocated space and click on New Simple Volume. A new wizard will appear. This wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. A simple volume can only be on a single disk. Click on Next. Here, we don't need to make any changes, so leave everything as default and click Next. Now you can assign a drive letter. I want to assign the letter F, so I will select it and then click Next. Now it will ask you to format the drive. It should be selected as NTFS. If on your computer it is selected as FAT32, make sure you change it to NTFS. Leave the other options as default and click Next, then click Finish. As soon as you do this, a new volume will be created. Now let's check it. Close this window and go back to File Explorer. Click on This PC, and here we go. You can now see the new drive. So guys, if you find this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe. I really need your support. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.